we're going to do is we're going to continue on with calculations, but we're going to be dealing with gas volumes.
Excellent.
Now, the interesting thing about gas volumes is that you only need to know one value for the molar volume. That's the volume of 1 mole of any gas, and the volume of 1 mole of any gas is always 24 dm cubed for all gases. Now, Dr. Bourne, do you know why they all have the same volume?
No.
Are you sure?
Quite sure.
Well, let's move on and let's do some calculations, which Dr. Bourne may be able to help us
I'll
with.
try.
So the first thing is I'm just going to give you a formula. It's very similar to previous formulas that you've used. But the number of moles of a gas equals the volume of the gas that you're given over the molar volume. Now, Dr. Bourne, what's the unit of molar volume?
Decimeters cubed.
So I'll just put that in. So that will be in dm cubed,
Yeah.
which means what must the volume be
Of the gas.
for your gas?
Oh, I can do this. The units of the gas must also be in dm cubed.
Excellent. So we've got to ensure that the units of both volumes are
the same.
the same
Okay.
before we insert any of the figures in this formula.
Okay. Do you want me to turn your formula into a triangle?
Perfect. You're very good at triangles.
like
so can you
triangles.
do that?
I'll do that. So if we want a triangle, we'll draw our triangle here so that we know what we've got. Now let's have a look at this. We want to work out the volume of the gas. That's volume there, volume of gas. It's number of moles times the molar volume. So this is moles here. And you told me that the molar volume is 24.
That is correct.
So I can just put in 24 here.
I think you also need to make sure you put 24 dm cubed.
Good idea. So this also has to be dm cubed. So the volume of the gas is the number of moles times 24.
Excellent.
Okay.
And moles equals volume of gas over 24 dm cubed.
Yep,
So I think
yep.
I've got the idea of the triangle. I'm going to give you 2 questions to do, Dr. Bourne.
Okay.
So let's go through the first, and this is typical questions that you would get at GCSE level. So the first one is, how many moles of gas are in 6 dm cubed of hydrogen gas?
Okay, so what am I being asked? I'm being asked for the moles of gas, so that's this one. So if I cover that one up, I need the volume divided by 24. I'm going to do this one here. So the volume is 6 and it's in decimeters cubed. And I'm going to divide it by 24. You know that's in decimeters cubed. So 6 over 24 is 1 over 4, which is 0.25 moles.
Perfect. I think you've got that correct, Dr. Bourne.
Okay.
Now the second one is the number of moles of 24 cm cubed of hydrogen. Now let me just rub that out so I'll give you a little bit of space.
Okay.
Fabulous.
Now I can see a typical pitfall here. The pitfall being that this is in centimeters cubed. Now I remember from a previous vlog, centimeters cubed to dm cubed. CD divide. So I'm going to have to divide this by 24. Is that right, Miss McLaren?
That's correct. So it'd be 24 divided by
1,000.
and I think I prepared this a little bit earlier.
Oh,
so
helpful,
24
as
divided
ever.
by 1,000 is 0.024 dm cubed.
So now what was that? That was my volume of gas.
That's correct.
So that goes up there.
Yeah.
So I'm working out moles. So moles equals the volume, which we told me was 0.024 or 0.024, divided by the molar volume, which I know is 24.
Now I can figure this out. So
Okay.
0.024 divided by 24 gives you 0.001.
Excellent. Okay.
So, I think we've got that all sorted out. So, has it been a gas for you?
Oh, definitely. Every time.